she knew, she was in the neighborhood with some new people, and she was waving to them, and they're like, and I was out working in her yard. Hi, Sue. Nobody knew she was in trouble. She stayed out there till her husband came in after dark.
Oh, wow.
And he started looking for her. And so we said, June, if you have a cell phone, you keep it in your pocket. And she even had a cordless phone that she could have kept with her.
Right.
You have to have a cell.
Okay.
Well, Barbara and David, thank you for this beautiful present. I'm not going to wear it today because I'm going to wear the other one you gave me. My jogging suit.
Mom's wearing a jogging suit for Christmas dinner.
I am.
She's like, it's velour. She goes, it's velour. I only wear it on special occasions.
That's right. In fact,
I was like, doesn't it have a hoodie? She goes, yes.
I don't wear the hoodie. Alice, you can give your opinion when you see it. You can tell them how fancy it is.
It's not fancy.
It's
I got it because we went hiking and you don't have anything to wear.
Yep. You loaned me yours. And I said, oh, I love this. Honey.